My family. I love my family. I have a mom and a dad. I have a brother and a sister. We eat together in the evening. We play together. We read books. We go for walks. My family hugs me. I feel safe. My family makes me happy every day. Now, it's your turn to read. Let's do questions and answers. Question 1. Who is in your family? Answer. My mom, dad, brother and sister are my family. Question 2. What do you do together? Answer. We eat, play, read, and walk together. Question 3. When do you eat with your family? Answer. In the evening. Question 4. Does your family hug you? Answer. Yes, my family hugs me. Question 5. Do you love your family? Why? Answer. Yes, I love my family because they love me a lot.